Welcome to the HSSE Induction Training, presented by the Health, Safety, Security, and Environment Department. This induction covers critical HSSE topics that every employee must understand. We'll start with the purpose and objectives of HSSE, then move into our management system, security protocols, and emergency response procedures. You'll also learn about hazard identification and control, heat stress prevention, HSSE rules, and environmental protection. Each section is designed to equip you with the knowledge to work safely and responsibly. The purpose of HSSE induction is to ensure that everyone entering our premises understands the risks and responsibilities associated with their work. Our objectives include communicating site rules, emergency procedures, and proper PPE usage. We also emphasize individual accountability for hazard reporting and environmental stewardship. This foundation helps prevent incidents, protect lives, and safeguard company assets. Our HSSE management system is built on compliance, risk management, and continuous improvement. We adhere to ISO 45001 for occupational health and safety and ISO 14001 for environmental management. These certifications reflect our commitment to global standards. The system promotes proactive risk identification, incident reporting, and investigation to prevent recurrence. Every employee plays a role in maintaining this system through vigilance and adherence to procedures. Security is the first layer of safety. All personnel must have a valid gate pass, and those performing work require a permit to work. Identification checks and security inspections are mandatory to prevent unauthorized access and prohibited items. Cooperation with security officers ensures a secure environment for everyone. Mawassalat has emergency procedures for preparedness and effective response. In emergencies or drills, follow instructions from the emergency response team, fire marshal, security officers, and safety officers. Evacuation signs show routes, firefighting equipment, and assembly points. Familiarize yourself with these. Emergencies can happen anytime, and preparedness saves lives. Our emergency management procedures outline clear roles for the emergency response team, fire marshals, and safety officers. Evacuation routes, firefighting equipment, and assembly points are marked throughout our facilities. Familiarize yourself with these locations and follow instructions promptly during drills or real emergencies. Every building has a posted evacuation plan showing primary and secondary routes, emergency exits, and assembly points. In an emergency, use the nearest safe exit and proceed to the assembly point. Never use elevators during evacuations. Ensure visitors and contractors in your area are guided to safety. If you discover a fire, act immediately. Raise the alarm by shouting "Fire! Fire!" and activate the manual call point. If trained and safe, use a fire extinguisher. Evacuate without collecting belongings and proceed to the assembly point. Do not re-enter until the all-clear is given by the emergency response team. Use the pass technique. Pull the pin, aim at the base, squeeze the handle, and sweep side to side. Only attempt this if you are trained and the fire is small. Never put yourself at risk. In an emergency, call 4458-8999 for the medical center, security, or fire control room. For fire, also use 4458 to 8831 or 5585 to 6347. The state emergency number is 999. Save these numbers for quick access. Report all injuries immediately. Trained first aiders and medical facilities are available on-site. For medical emergencies, call 4458-8999 or 999. Early action saves lives. Smoking is strictly controlled to prevent fire hazards and maintain air quality. Use designated smoking areas and dispose of cigarette butts in proper bins. Never smoke inside buildings or discard butts on the ground. Alcohol and drugs are strictly prohibited on all Mawassalat premises. This policy is enforced by HR, HSSE, facilities, and operations to ensure a safe, productive, and professional environment. Always follow posted speed limits, maintain a safe distance, and adhere to internal traffic flow. Report any abnormal situations to your supervisor or HSSE representative. Safe driving protects everyone. Reverse park only in designated areas. Turn off the engine when parked, and avoid using cell phones while driving. Always wear your seatbelt, prioritize signage, use the horn at blind corners, and give priority to pedestrians. Obey all traffic regulations. Report any hazard or unsafe condition to the HSSE department or your supervisor as soon as possible. Prompt reporting helps prevent incidents and keeps everyone safe. Near misses are warnings. Report them using the QR code or designated channels. Each report helps us identify risks and prevent future incidents. Hazards include ergonomic issues, electrical faults, fire risks, traffic accidents, trip hazards, poor lighting, air quality problems, noise, and psychosocial stress. Identifying hazards early helps prevent harm. Use the hierarchy of controls. Eliminate hazards if possible, substitute with safer options, use engineering and administrative controls, and rely on PPE as the last line of defense. This approach effectively minimizes risk. Be mindful of your steps. Avoid using your mobile while walking or climbing stairs. Maintain housekeeping and report obstructions immediately. These simple actions prevent common injuries. Lift safely by bending your knees, keeping your back straight, and avoiding sudden movements. Get help with heavy objects. Improper lifting can cause serious injury. Adjust your chair and desk for good posture, and take regular breaks to reduce strain. Ergonomics improve comfort and productivity. Stay hydrated, eat balanced meals, and manage stress. Your well-being is crucial for safety and performance. Heat stress occurs when the body can't cool itself properly. Rest in cool or shaded areas, drink water or sports drinks, and wear light clothing in hot conditions. Avoid sugary or caffeinated drinks. Follow the flag system for heat risk: green for moderate, yellow for high, orange for very high, and red for extreme. Adjust hydration and work-rest cycles, and supervisors must monitor workers closely. Safety signs throughout Mawassalat premises alert you to hazards and requirements. Always follow displayed signage and respect barricades to prevent incidents. Know your required personal protective equipment: helmets, gloves, safety shoes, and more. PPE is your last defense against workplace hazards. Help us create sustainable workspaces by reducing energy use, minimizing and recycling waste, segregating it properly, using water responsibly, and avoiding unnecessary printing. Our goal is to create sustainable, low-carbon workplaces. Your efforts in conserving resources and reducing waste are essential. Bio bins are for biodegradable food waste like peels and leftovers. Use them to support eco-friendly waste management and composting, reducing landfill impact. If you have any questions or need clarification on any HSSE topic, please ask now. Thank you for your attention. For further inquiries, contact the HSSE department at grouphsse@mawassalat.com.